So it is Raman's birthday weekend and I have surprised him with a little glamping style Tepee Airbnb, and it is so cute, guys. I cannot wait to show you. But yeah, we're just packing up and getting organized. He's not here at the moment, which is why I can tell you. But yeah, it's this awesome little outdoor solar vibe, teepee style outdoor shower. So, you know, something that we're actually quite used to, but just a bit more glamping. And yeah, it's in the Brunswick region, so I will share everything with you. But yeah, come along.